What's up, everybody? I'm Abby13. Okay, this is truly incredible. Okay, just yesterday, I finished making my Python NES emulator um, run and function to load the games, see the graphics in all their beauty, and you can get into the game, you can control the game, you can play the game, but at very slow frame rate. It's unplayable in a sense of performance. So this morning I woke up and I chose to port my emulator over to Rust. And so this happens at a time when I'm learning Rust, and Rust is a fast coding language, as we always hear about pointing out what's the point of Rust and why Rust. And you can see now that my Nintendo emulator today, with AI's help, has been ported over to Rust. This is running on Rust. And I think this is really fascinating, and I'm seeing great results. It obviously is running at a fast speed, a too fast speed, high speed. Let me go ahead and push the buttons and control the Mario, and we see that I mean, it's kind of interesting watching it at high frame rate, actually. And this is beautiful. This is just beautiful. So I wanted to post this up, and now that I have a foundation for my Rust emulator, I can see what I can do. Um, I want to get the sound working. I want to have a menu, and I want to see what options I can allow for, and we'll explore this further. But that's the video. Thanks for watching, and yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing. The port of my NES emulator.